Welcome back once again to howtocookwithgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take time to click that bell icon just below. Plantains or cooking bananas. I've had quite a lot of emails and messages about this. We're going to do them today, as you can see. These are really simply fried. These guys have got a little twist to them. They're cut differently. They're squashed after they've been fried, salted, and then refried. Absolutely wonderful. Let's get on with this. Okay, let's take a look at some plantains. Here they go, here they go. These have been peeled. Here's a plantain or a cooking banana. There's various different types. So what you want to do is just grab one. Now what you want is a kind of knackered looking one. You don't want one that's beautiful. You want one that's kind of bruised up and ready to roll. Simply just peel it. It's like just, you know, exactly the same as a banana. Slightly harder than a nice sort of soft banana, but off it all comes. And then if you want, you can boil them. Just boil them in some water for 4 or 5 minutes. And that's it there. But what we're going to do is we're going to cut some open and we're going to fry these ones, okay? Okay, so as you can see, I've just sliced mine up, you know, kind of nice thin bits like that. I've done a couple, just cut the plantain in half and then down the center again. Cut it how you want, really. It doesn't really matter. A bit like a potato in that way, you know what I mean? Cut it kind of small or big. Simply, we're just going to go over to the cooker, get these in some hot oil. They're done in a few minutes. Okay, so I've got some sunflower oil here. Simply, see how, is this hot enough? That's good. We're going to drop in our plantain. And we're going to fry this for like 2 minutes aside. And it's done. That easy and delicious. Okay, beautiful. Cook them longer, cook them less, up to you, but these are just how I like them. I'm going to get these out, get them onto some paper towel here, just to drain any excess oil off. And then I'm going to do the others. I've got quite a few more here, I'm going to do those. See in a bit. Okay, and with these other ones, which I've cut, you know, they're much thicker, just quartered them. We're going to fry these again, a couple of minutes on each side, then I'll show you another little technique you can do with them. Okay, so let's get these out. Put them on some paper towel, just let them cool down just a little bit. Then what we're going to do is we're going to get a towel or a cloth and we're going to flatten them. We're going to put them inside the cloth and press down on them and we're going to refry them. Okay, so I've just got like a towel or flannel here. Just press it over and then just gently push on it. Don't go crazy. Then pull your towel back gently. And then get it off there like that. Okay, so you've now got that nice flattened thing there. Let me do the other bits and then I'll be back. Okay, so they've been pressed down. What I want to do now is get some salt on there. Be quite generous with your salt. And then what we're going to do is we're going to refry them in hot oil just for about a minute aside. Okay, so we've got our salted pressed ones. In they go. 1 minute on each side. Back onto some paper towel and then we're done. I'll see you at the table. Okay, and there you go, done. So we've got those simple fried ones, those ones that have been pressed and salted. Absolutely delicious. I hope that's helped answer several emails and messages that I've got. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.